Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Hakakatsan Trik Rempang Ulap Lipat Ba Ya Rynsan CM Connect, Kaban Ailat Ya Ki Nongshong Shnong Banyakran Bat Ka Sorkar. Lingba Kane Ka Rynsan, Ki Nongshong Shnong Kila Ban Phone Ha Uni Number Helpline Number 1971 Ban Pinsngau Ya Ka Jing E Jongki. Kane Ka Rynsan Kan Plelat Ya Ki Nongshong Shnong Banyakran Bat Ka Sorkar, Ban Bu Jingkeli Bat Ka Sorkar Kan Sngap Bat Kan Jubab Ban Penjam Ya Ka Jing E. Laong Ukonrad Habapli Ya Kane Ka Program Ha Convention Center of Northeastern Hill University Nehu, Shillong Campus. Ka sorkar kalabu ya ki officer na kitanat bapher, bat kinyakran bat jubab ya ka jingkeli upat ba, bat kinongshong shnong lingba kane ka rynsan yakran bat ka sorkar, lingba ka social media channels kentup ya ka WhatsApp. Kane ka number 1971, kan trekam na duo prabaji minstap ha duo prabaji janmit, hakisan tali kiktian kentup ya ka khasi garu bat jantia. Ha kane ka ju kasngi, Chief Minister Ula Pelat Baru Ya Ka Program Bapher, Kiba Kentop Ya Ka Meghalaya State Organic Mission 2.0, Bat Pelat Ru Ya Ka Pisa Hapok Ka Green Meghalaya Bat Focus. Ula Pelat Baru Ya Ka Grassroots Projects Kaban Penkup Boar, Bat Pet Ya Ka Bha Ka Miat Kinong Rap Ha Ka Rep Karyang, Bat Kani Ka Project Kamangru Na Ka Benta Ban Ai Jingada Ya Ki Klau Ki Batap Kabalakot South Park Lur. Kamek arise kadai ka weipat ka project banyada ya ki telong ne ki waduj ki badan ha ka jingma ka badai ka weina ka project ban penya chakmat ya ka state water policy kane ka project lamang ban pentrekam ha ka jingdut ka ba laispa saupu kulur ka Meghalaya State Organic Mission 2.0 ka bu ya ka thong ban penkela ya ka hispa hajar hectares ka jaka sha ka jingrap ka ba klem kle dawai sebo ne organic. Ya ka ne ka organic mission la kershan ru na ka KFW project ka ba na Germany, ban kentiu ya ka jingyo nong ki nongrap, bat ban penbuan ya ka jingmi, bat ban penyo ya ki marap ha ka dor ka ba bit e, bat ban penbha shu ya ki mar ki mata. Ha ka ne kasngi, Chief Minister Ru Ulaple ya ki khat artali ki jaka sanjing bam, but lightly ki jaka penpeja ne ki cold storages hajalla hapo kashatri jong ka Meghalaya NEXT.
That every year we will be distributing the focus money to the groups, and let me share with you, obviously you have to work. The money that we are giving you in the first tranche, you have to utilize that. You have to achieve the goals. You have to be able to be productive. Because if that's not happening, then we need to guide you in the right manner. And hence, based on the performance of the groups, today we'll be releasing a tranche of 3.5 crores to almost close to 517 groups today. And as I said, in this financial year, we will cover once again the different 2 lakh families that we covered in the last 2 years, and the checks will keep going into their accounts. We'll be having programs like this in multiple locations. But how do we balance both livelihood and the ecology so that we're able to move forward in a sustainable manner? That's really what we are trying to achieve out here. And therefore, in this holistic approach of trying to manage our resource, a great and a very, very important resource for life, which is water, Meghalaya is a critical project, keeping in mind that the catchment areas that are meant for Shnong and Tura are being affected due to different activities, and keeping the increase in the population of the urban areas, we require more and more water in the coming days and years. But that can only be achieved if we are able to manage the water in a much more efficient manner and protect our catchment areas. I will tell you, Meghalaya will be a shining example for the rest of the country to follow. I have always stated in every forum that Meghalaya and the states in the northeast have always been considered as states which cannot perform or or do not perform. I want to get rid of that tag. And I'm telling you, we are slowly succeeding. Today, Government of India, certain departments are appreciating the way Meghalaya is moving forward. The way Meghalaya is setting standards. The way Meghalaya is innovating. And we are showing the way for the rest of the country in many fields. While many challenges are there, and it will take us time to clear and to move forward in all of them. But we have made a very good and positive start. And in order for us to move in that direction, and as I said, be one of the leading states in the country, we will all need to work